Since their eyes open, they're a lot more playful with one another. Kind of biting and snuggling and chewing on each other and kind of playing around a little bit. Because you know it's not their mom anymore. They're like, hey, I know that's not you. I'm going to just give you a little bit of nip. And see what I can do. But they're still pretty darn gentle to each other. How cute they are. But they're playing. They're playing already. 2 weeks old. But they all end up in a big pile. Uh-oh. What's going on over here? Well, you know what? That's not your mom. That's not your mom. Oh, goodness sakes. Crazy dogs. Come here, sweetheart. Come here. You get away from that nut. You get away from that crazy dog. Hey? What's going on, eh? Hey, baby? You're looking at the camera, eh? Oh, look how beautiful you are, eh? The face on you. Yeah, I'm tired. Okay, go down with your brothers and sisters and lay down. There you go.